Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to Slack. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Slack you can receive personalized notifications when new contacts appear in Agile CRM and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key in order to get it. We return to the Agile CRM personal account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API tab. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Slack as the data receiving system. Now you need to select an action. Send message, personal. At this stage you need to connect your Slack account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the domain of the Slack account. In order to get it, go to your personal Slack account. Copying a domain without additional characters. Now you need to log in to your Slack account. You can do this with your email and password, or you can sign in with your Google or Apple account. I will be signing in with my Google account. At this stage, we grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Slack account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a user who will receive private messages for each new contact from Agile CRM. Now we compose the text of the message. In this field you can assign variables from Agile CRM. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will come to Slack to the selected user with each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. After successful sending, go to Slack and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Slack data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.